Last time I covered this thing, we were looking for a retracement back up here to the 618, which we got, and then it rolled over here. All right, we're going to take a look here, see if we can find a bottom in here, and see what's going on here with beam, and see if we're going to get a bounce here. You know, we're down right now. You know, I'm a holder, obviously. I'm looking for higher prices out of this thing. But from the top, we're down, you know, roughly 65, 66% right now. Okay, so we'll take a look at this here and we'll see if we can find a bottom here. All right, crypto bubbles, see where everything's at for the day here. Here's for the last hour. Okay, you can see every Bitcoin is making a little bit of a run here. All right, it's up 1,800 bucks for the day. And this is the last hour. Here's the day. Look at this. Nice look. And there's beam down here. Here we go. Volume about 7 million. Market cap $806.5 million. Number 90. All right, for the month we're down 45%. A lot of stuff is. Okay, if you click on the month here, let's take a look. Look at everything. You got a lot of stuff down for the month, and that's because of Bitcoin. Caspa, I put out a Caspa video. Well, you want to go check that out. Look at that. It's up 38.4%. Launch smart contracts, KRC20, and Caspa is looking good. There's Beam, 45%. A lot of stuff. You know, you got Render down 23, Link down 20, Bonk down 33%, H bar 23, Fat 34. You know, Rune, Gala 35. You know, a lot of stuff down for the last week. And look at that, some nice bounces there. All right, Beam, where is Beam on this one? I always have a hard time when I'm doing a video finding the token I'm covering. You know, there's 100 of them here, so it can get a little confusing. But I don't see Beam right off the bat. There it is down here, way down here. This little tiny one, minus 1% for the week. All right. And having a nice, beautiful bounce today. This thing, another meme coin. Rank number 99. What's this? Bohm? Is that how you look at it? It looks like Pepe, don't it? 81.8 million in volume, $686 million market cap. Insane, isn't it? I remember the last bull run, there was not one new crypto in the top 100 under $1 billion market cap. You know, and it was, you know, let's look at this here. All right, there's a lot of stuff going on with this market. Here's Bitcoin. There's the resistance right there, that white line. I'm expecting it to run up to, and we'll see what happens with it there. You know, either it gets a bounce. You know, it came up here. Take a look at this. You know, it double topped right here and rolled over. All right, it's getting down. Let's go on the weekly chart for Bitcoin. You can see right here, if you come out on this, you know, right from the top there, let's pull this down just a hair. We're right up in that zone, you know, where this thing is getting ready to rip. All right, and when you go on a monthly chart, there's a lot of people saying this. You know, if you take, let me show you something. If you have not seen it, all right, I put it in my other videos. But if you take this thing, and please stick with me here. This is pretty cool. If you take a bars pattern, you go from the, you know, let's just go from the 2017 high. This should have been our high right here, right there. Everything points that way. All the indicators, the pi cycle top indicator, all the indicators point to a top right there. All right, so let's pull this over here. We're in a run right now. Okay, this thing is heading to the upside. You know, it's not in consolidation or, you know, doing any kind of accumulation. It's in a run. Okay. You know, do we have much left in this run? You know, I can't answer that. Is this all just because of the halving, you know, a run? But if we take a time schedule, All right, a date range. Go from 2017 high right over here to where we should have been. That's 1,217 days. Okay, 1217. So if we go from there out, right there is 1,218, and that is August 1st. So if this is if this is your big finale coming up, it's going to be a massive run for the altcoins. All right, this would be your alt season coming up. 3, is this the 4th wave pullback, and then one final push and it's over? I hope not. All right, could be. I don't know. We'll have to wait and play it out. We got the monthly RSI rolling over here. We got we got something else that concerns me here. We take a look at this. Grab my trend line right here. You got bearish divergence on the monthly. All right, so, and we have a monthly heading down. The weekly is still pulling down, just about at the bottom there, but technically still pulling down. The daily heading up to the upside. All right, did we get rejected here and pull back a little further? It could. Pretty oversold down here. It absolutely could. All right, let's go back out on that monthly here and take a look at that. Something. Allergy time, guys. That time of year. I apologize if you hear me sniffle once in a while, but it's just that time of year. Now, if we take from wave 2 up to the top of wave 3, let's see what kind of retracement are we. Where we at here? 4th wave would be typically a 382. Could pull down to a 618 down here. That's a 43,000. That'd be crazy, wouldn't it? That would scare the heck out of everybody. Or it just stops here. Just about got a 382 right here. Is that good enough? And we start this 5th wave. We'll have to see. We'll see what plays out here. But that's your wave 3. To the top of wave 4. And we'll see what happens. Let's go over the beam here. If you could, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I have a level 3 membership. We have over 200 members in it, over 5,000 subs for the channel, and it's $14.99. It teaches you how to do all the charting I do, how to set up your trading view, how to leverage trade, all that. Over 9 hours of videos, over 22 videos, and you get a link to the Discord to come trade with us. All right, we've been hammering it over there with HBAR. Had a great run. Digibyte had a great run. Posted them this week. Just put a Caspa trade on there we're looking for here. Now, let's take a look at a couple things here. Number 1, let's go from our swing low to our swing high and see where we're at with overall. Right near 702. Just about a 702 retracement here. That would be a perfect area to bounce. We are in that area where you typically see a bounce happen. All right, right down here in the 618, 702. That's where you normally see reversals come in. All right, to bump to the upside. Now, what are the RSIs saying? The weekly is oversold. It's at a 0 and 1. Technically, still bearish until this ticks up, until the blue line ticks up over the orange, which is just about ready to do that. All right, let's look at the 5-day. Same situation. It's actually bullish. It's at a 1.3 and a 0.4. All right, your 3-day, same thing, bullish. Okay, pen to the upside. It's at a 1.7 and a 0.2, and your daily. Daily is up there. It's at a 66 and a 63. Still bullish. Did we get a break of any resistance lines here? Let's look. Goes down. Oh boy. You could have a break here. You could have a break here. All right. Is this a falling wedge? Look at something here. No, not really. Yeah. This falling wedges are just like extremely bullish. Bullish things. This is a bullish. Believe it or not, when you get the reversal and something like this, kind of a wedge, just a downward structure towards that 618 and 702, and you see a bounce starting like this here, and the RSIs are all starting to point to the upside. You're going to see I believe you're going to see a strong push at a beam coming up very, very soon. This thing is just getting ready to go. Your 12-hour RSI is bullish, 67 and a 61. All right, you got your 8-hour. There's the 8, just turning up, bullish. All right, so beam is looking like it's getting ready. We're getting ready for a bounce here. You got a double bottom here on the 8-hour. You know, this you got two bottoms, double bottom here. That's extremely bullish also. That's what you want to see for sure. All right, you got one right here. You got one right here. That's a double bottom. Boom, boom, bounce. All right. So keep your eye on beam, guys. It is looking absolutely fantastic. I might look at this thing for a long position because it's ready to go. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.